Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're looking at the Westinghouse Portable Air Purifier with the True HEPA Filter, NCCO Technology. And today I'm going to test it out using a sound device or sound level meter to test how noisy it gets. So let's see how noisy this is at its different speeds of filtration. There's two settings, so let's look at what the volume is with no fan on. So we're looking at around 31 decibels with nothing on, so let's turn it on. (48, 49 decibels at the lowest setting. Let's turn it on to the higher setting. We're at 51, 52 decibels at the higher setting. So it claims to remove bacteria, viruses, VOCs, allergens, dust, smoke, odors, and it's ideal for airplanes, hotels, traveling, etc. What's interesting about this portable air purifier is that its design does not look very typical of ones you would see. It almost looks like some sort of toy or purse, little purse. As you can see here, the airflow gets sucked into the sides here where the HEPA filter is underneath, and then the air, the clean air, gets pushed out on this side. So the air is blowing out this way. So there's a couple ways to use this. You can either set it on a table as so, you can lay it flat, and it has this little nice carry strap as well. On a single charge, it's rated at 8 hours, and it is a little bit heavier than other portable air purifiers, weighing in at 2 pounds. It is a little bit more hefty, but it also cleans more air than compared to other smaller air purifiers. So there's 2 fan speeds. It can clean up to 100 square feet of room. There's a silent mode, low battery indicator. It has built-in lithium rechargeable batteries and a HEPA filter rated at around 3,000 hours of life.